Welcome back to the channel. In another video, we are talking about the message where JLP supporters have for the Prime Minister and certain ministers within the cabinet. The people must say the ministers them are fall short. And we also talk about Swiss Lee's message to his family. Him say me some of my family them must say he must don't pay a whole heap of money. But he must say these are same family members who never help him when he did a struggle. And with a lot of Jamaicans overseas finding success, this is a situation where many Jamaicans have found themselves in. We'll talk about it. First and foremost, we're going to hear from the Labour right supporters who are saying that the Prime Minister and certain ministers need to know what they do because they are planning to vote them out. While some supporters are saying no matter what people say, they'll be supporting the party no matter what. And we couldn't hear what going on. Look and listen.
It's truth and it's truth. It's garbage with tan bad. They hide it from Mr. Mackenzie when he come here. He bathroom tan bad. They hide it from Mr. Mackenzie when he come here. And Mr. Mackenzie, on no need to get up. I found a body and take a tour in a St. James, Charles Garden Market, and Gillette Johnson. I have a shop in Charles Garden Market. I'm a vendor here more than 12 years. I race me ever see market under me smart hand. Give me your hand, Sinclair, and I care if they want me shop. I'm a dead labor right. Me no pay, me no business. It's truth and it's truth. It's garbage with tan bad. They hide it from Mr. Mackenzie when he come here. He bathroom tan bad. They hide it from Mr. Mackenzie when
they have and me. And if I one labor they have and I'm me. Me a die hearted as let me not sleep tonight. Because they be a police station early and wash everything. Me not sleep and get hurt among ex. Then me start work. When that? The 26th of February election, the 8th election.
Now, really and truly, the people must say they said it. People must say regardless if them are supporters of the party overall, loyalists as they have been termed, they must say if ministers and certain elected officials are not performing, are saying one thing and doing the next, if local government elections don't go their way, then clearly they must see the message being sent. And I think the Jamaican electorate has reached the point where they must support them party, but when it comes time to vote, they must still vote for what they believe in or what they feel is right. The administration in power now in a general election, they win by a landslide. It was what them term as a landslide victory. But the numbers of supporters for their position was there. Even if one side did win, you would think it would be a landslide victory. Clearly some people that wear colours and have vote for a different party. And this might be the message that Labourites are sending to the administration, that now because you see up on the campaign trail, we are look into what we say and what we never do and what we promise to do again. No. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Now, on to other stories making headlines today. Now, famed TikToker Swiss Lee, that reason with him fans. And him say something I feel like all heap of Jamaicans, where they reside overseas, are just Jamaicans overall who have found some form of success. Him say, yeah, family members where him know probably need the help or want the help. And then probably see the success we have and I say, yeah, him have a whole heap of money. But he must say these are same individuals who, during his struggle, could have helped with whatever little they did have, but never put nothing towards or shown a support to him and his endeavors. And now when the thing good, they must say, yo, him now move right because him now give them this and give them that. I couldn't hear from Swiss himself and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
Family, you know, guys, and that's the truth, you know. I have some family who want help, you know. I know them sit down and chat me, say, boy, Swiss Lee sit down on a bag of money. But them family who want help, them never did it with me hungry. You know what I'm on there? Yeah. That's the truth. They never did it. Some mother batter with me, they never did it. Her mother grew me and my brother them without no father. And she never sell her front. She got a town and sell clothes. And then she go turn one partner woman, and when the people them ask to the partner and she give her for lunch money, she tell him say one of the people them and fuck up. My money just risk it for me. So right now I have to risk it back for she. And my father family them Jesus Christ, I don't even want to talk about them. I have some people, I have some family. May I tell you so guys, if you don't know some uncle with me have who know the one that made up alive the pan. Tap sorrows. If you never know some uncle with me have. Hey, tap sorrows, hey, tap. If uncle them in my blood clot life. And I help me out of the over here upon Top Rose and mother upon my son will go and send something or send something will go and my son I'm if you do it. You don't know. Me happy. But what? Them turn them back and my father dead. My father was alive then.
Now what I'm say? It's a scenario some many Jamaicans can relate to. And it's also a scenario where many Jamaicans react different to. You have some people know say, yeah man, them people never used to give me no strength. We never do what we do. They never believe. They feel like we're waste of time. But seeing that it has worked out, and you know in the position where you can help out, some people just don't pray that and help out where them can help out. There are other people who say, them primary focus now, I feel, pay back dues to the people who really show them a strength, investing in them, believing in them career, supporting them in any way where them could have support them at the time. And also to take care of the ones them who them feel like them fear take care. So you see in a film scenario, I'm mother. I say mother did the film. You see me? And him say mother never did nothing out of the way. It was hard work. She was an entrepreneur. She got a town. She sell clothes. I mean, send Swiss and him. Sibling them go to school and get the opportunity to travel overseas. You know what I mean? Him start him career up on TikTok. Start go good. Him start connect with the fans on a level. The interaction was that great that even administrators of the platform noticed that. And them start reach out. And of course the rest is history as we know it today. And I hope say these type of stories when people hear them look into it from multiple point of views. It's also a show you say, yo, it's in a scenarios where you can help out people. Do the good way you can do today. Not saying you just have to do good for hope, say, yo, what you do for somebody else can do for you. But doing good knowing say you can do good. And you don't know what tomorrow brings. This individual you do something good for. Yes, him can be somebody who do something for you tomorrow. But greater than that, the deed within itself is a blessing. And you don't know. You can get that blessing at any time. Another side to the coin is you have people feel a level of entitlement to something, but them feel like them deserve, even though them not contribute nothing towards it. As them say, no, say you have some family members, and then probably I see him on TikTok, I see him on the media, I see I talk about him like scenarios like no, and you know, them hear about the accolades that come with all of that. Them hear about the financial rewards that come with that. So they must say, yeah, you see they are foreign and rich, and him fear do this. But he might point out, say, yo, no, him not see it that way. There are many people see it that way there too. Not saying anything about helping out, but the entitlement. People don't feel like, say, yo, you're supposed to do this. But why? In a film case, him say, yo, them same. I got through him, I got through. There was never helping on. And him not going into details on the scenario. But he must know why him that say, yo, them never help out. He probably see where them could have help him out and choose not to. So while this was a personal scenario, him choose to share with the public. Him sharing this with the public was also something where the public would relate to. And is why him is a good content creator. On film platform them. Because even though them topic when him talk to the people about a scenarios that people know about too. Especially for the people who live overseas. Or for people who have found success in their endeavors. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel as I pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue the reason via the comment section. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, if you want to live, love, and prosper. And also, if you want to stay tuned, remember to like, share, and subscribe.